Okay, so Marcus Garvey. So this is where Marcus Garvey was born.
Birthplace of the right. Excellent Marcus Messiah Garvey.
So look. So this is the birthplace, you know. The right, excellent Marcus Messiah Garvey, Jamaica first national hero, was born on this site, August 17, 1887. This guy comes in up right beside me. This is New Mass. So guys, so this is where Marcus Garvey was. So they keep it exactly like how it is.
Yeah, you see it.
Banana plant she get what? Go on, my father.
Knock it,
Yeah,
knock it again.
I know.
Long time I don't see the eye. But you know me see one video and I say wait, knock it watch it. I mean, no me not see a sea view anymore.
Yeah, you don't know, sir. If my leave sea view, me have to reach out watch it. Baby girl. Anybody see this man in the street, watch how you approach him. You never know.
You never know.
Yeah, just tell them on a 2024 and I say, you know.
Yeah.
Sick, you know. See them and watch your lifestyle. One bit your current like a Wi-Fi. A dark your dog say you wicked and hey baby girl, don't turn your back on the general, a forward him I go.
Yeah. What's it? Oh, the chicken.
Chicken necks. Chicken.
Okay, so you have a chicken. Whoa, chef. This is the trench town style.
Yeah, man.
The chicken neck. Yes, and now it's Marcus Garvey way style. Chicken neck.
Real thing, man. Yeah.
That's the chicken, man. The gizzard as well in the
No, gizzard. I'm just neck and chicken over now,
yes, neck and chicken. But, so me say, hot and ready, me say, hot and ready. Hey, hot and ready. Me say, hot and ready. Hot and ready. Me say, hot and ready. Me say, hot and ready. Hot and ready. Hey, me say, the bread. Hot and ready.
Cheese and breast, hot and ready.
Hey,
Everybody,
hot and ready. Hey, in my mouth, it hot and ready. Hey,
full of bread,
hot and ready. Hey, hot and ready, me say,
hot and ready. Go inside there. Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love to all. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope you're having a wonderful day anywhere you are. Thank you so much for watching Kina Live in Jamaica. And I also want to give a big shout out and a big thanks, you know, to all our new extended family, which is our new donors. I want to thank you so much for supporting this program. You know, I thank you so much as well. It's been a blessings and everything, you know. It means the world, you know, for you lot to reaching out, helping out a situation with the less fortunate, you know. So God bless you, and I thank you so much for helping out the less fortunate. Thank you for each and every one of our new donors. We thank you, we thank you, we thank you, thank you so much. It's been a blessing, you know, and welcome to Kina Life in Jamaica. I remember we are nothing but family. Family speaks for itself, so we are all family. Once you're here on this program, remember guys, we are family. I will keep it positive in the comment section and also in the live comment section. So remember, if you got nothing to say, you're a negative sayer, don't say nothing, because my moderators, big up on yourself, my moderators is at them best looking out for all the negative and the naysayers, because we don't accommodate that over here. No, we don't accommodate negativity over here. So please, let's always keep it positive, show love and respect to each other whenever you're in the comment section. Don't be tracing each other from left to right, and no, that's still negative, you know. So remember to be positive. We're in this new year, so please remember to look into yourself, look into the mirror, and you can make some change as well, right? So don't, when you see a fire, you're gonna throw gasoline on it. You please be the water. Don't be the gasoline, just be the water. If you see fire, just be the water. Don't be gasoline. Because you know, once you throw gasoline, what's going to happen? Explosion. And then it's more negative energy. Right? So sometimes you have to know how to avoid it. Right? So guys, remember, stay tuned. Remember, smash the like button. You know, if you're watching and you haven't liked, you know, remember to subscribe and tell a friend to tell a friend. You know, remember, we need family over here. Support. Show the love. Right? Blessings to all, blessings to all. So today we're going to take on a journey. I guess I'm going to drop D off because I'll drop her to the hair shop. I guess she's going to get her hair done today. You know, so you know it goes, you know, she get her a new look. So I guess she's looking like a ninja right now, you know, African ninja. So next time when you see her, you will know what time is it, you know. So right now she's looking like an old African ninja from the village, you know. So you will see her, or you can see she's appearing behind me like a ninja, as you can see, you know. This week I'm here smiling for.
You don't want me to smile. This is my year of laughter and smiles.
Guys, here is the African ninja from the village I was telling you about. Look at
this is my year of smiling and feeling good.
So this is the ninja with our new hairstyle.
I'm going to do my hair today, guys. So hope you all doing good. So my name is D Mwango. I'm from Kenya, Mama Africa, and welcome to Jamaica. I'm now living in Jamaica because this is my dream country. The way people have their own dreams to live somewhere else in the world, for me Jamaica is my favorite, you know. If you ask me between your country and Jamaica, where do you want to live, I'll tell you Jamaica. I just love this country. So guys, be sure to subscribe. Let's get Kino 100k subscribers. You don't know the tingo, and thanks for the support so far. So good, we appreciate and give thanks. So please check me out as well, D Mwango on YouTube, if you've never come across me. All right, so that is it, guys. Stepping out, I'm going to fix my hair right now.
Yeah, yes guys, as the hair said, she got fix her hair because right now she's looking like a village ninja, you know, with that thing wrapped around her head like Rambo, you know. So yeah, I'm gonna drop her off to get her hair fixed up and everything, and then I'm gonna make 2 errands runs myself here in sentence. Yeah, you know it goes already, the walkabout style. So guys, so stay tuned, smash that button. That is it. We here. Guys, you know, say D, come show you, come here. So like how you walk, come. I'm gonna show you my tree.
Your tree?
Yeah.
Tree?
I got a tree. You never know.
When?
I found a tree and I give it a name, and I'm the first one to give it a name. Yes.
Oh guys, I saw something that I love. You guys have no idea. So no more buying vegetables. I'll just come and get my pumpkin leaves.
You're trespassing.
No, I'll just get my pumpkin leaves, and that will be it.
You are trespassing.
No,
you cannot do that here, D. You get locked up. Please don't trespass.
This is my home. Of course.
They just went. The only tree you see, 1 leaf. It's not even a lot of pumpkin stem running, just 1.
No, it's not 1. They're like 6.
It's 1 only.
6.
And guess what? I was walking by and I saw a tree. You know, in like back in the days when them said the European them go around and conquer. You know, so I see a tree
so
and
you went and conquered one.
Because
can I say you conquered? What did you conquer?
I conquered the tree. You know, I give it a. They said, listen, I give it a name. You know, hopefully that name just registered to me. So I need to go to the
where?
To the tax office, the tree tax office. Here is it. This is all me you're looking at here.
Oh,
this
really?
is called the Kadingo tree. That's what I named it.
Kadingo tree?
Yeah.
Why did you call it Kadingo tree?
I know tree. So like, you know, I can. It sounds like Kadingo tree.
Wow, but I love the leaves. Wow, they're so big and it looks like it can. Wow, look.
You see? You ever see it before?
It's so pretty. No.
Exactly. So I guess it's grow wild. I know this is an island. You know, we got trees grows up from everywhere. Wild trees.
This is beautiful. Like they look like twin leaves. Look at that.
Exactly.
Like this is a different side. This is a different side, but they're together. Ooh, this is wow.
So guys, welcome to the Kadingo tree. Please remember.
And tell us what you conquered, because we can't accept that before you tell us what you conquered.
So guess
maybe after we go to Africa,
Yeah.
then you come back.
I guess, guys, I came, I saw, and I conquer. You know.
You conquered what?
Yes. This tree. I don't know. No one don't own it. Who own it?
Me.
No way.
It's on my way to my house.
So this, I came
It's
here.
the Mwango tree.
No way. Remember, I already registered. Man,
You registered?
Of course, man. I lock you up.
God.
Call the police, man. What you doing? Listen, this is my tree, guys. So whenever
You know,
you come,
has to lock me up. This is the Mwango tree.
you see,
It's so beautiful, just like me.
you see me tell you about them ninja, yeah? Them feel like them can come and jump in and jump out. You know, guys. Anyway, you see this tree, just remember its name, the Kadingo tree, owned by Kino. What year this tree was born? You know the year this tree was born?
No, this tree looks like it was a big tree, then it was cut.
No, this was originated from the 1990s. You know?
But it looks like it was a big tree, it was cut, then it's growing.
It looks like, but I'm telling you, I'm the one that claims it and I owned it. So I'm writing my own history. This is from the 1990s. Guys, please. D, I know why. Why did I tell you about my tree?
Holy lie.
This is the Kadingo tree. It's good for shelter.
Holy lie.
The health benefit for this. You know what's the health benefit? The health benefit is good for sheltering.
That is not health.
Yeah, of course, from the
No.
sun. Look, I'm not in the sun now, I'm shaded. So this help me
And
from
it's so
sun.
cool.
It's so cool. That cool like me. Right? Not even cucumber tree don't cool like this. Yeah? So come. Please be careful when you touch my tree, you know?
Mind I lock you up.
Right? So guys, so there say hello to my tree, Kadingo tree. So anyway you see it at
But
all
it's
in
pretty
Jamaica.
though. Actually, that's so unique. Like, you know, so unique.
Exactly, you see?
Guys, the sun is well out. It's January.
So what do you think about my tree?
It's beautiful. It's pretty.
So I capture it, you know?
Eh?
I don't see no owner yet. So
No,
I guess I'm
owner.
the owner.
Yeah, the owner.
I am the owner.
You just
guys.
gave yourself
I gave myself a tree, the Kadingo tree, you
outfit
know?
of the day. Kino is looking so stylish, guys.
I'm
Look at him.
a footballer.
Hey,
A footballer.
hey, look at that. Yo. Huh?
What is wrong with you? It's like you're drinking too much bush tea this morning.
Guys, which bush tea? I haven't drank any bush tea.
Too much fever grass.
Fever grass?
Yes.
No, I'm just saying you're looking good. Guys, look at that. Kino the stylist. The fashionista.
Dim-
I styled him. It's me who styled him,
Your
guys.
hairstylist. Your stylist. Your style.
Kino.
Style.
Hey, you don't want to give me credit.
No, I'll give you a top up. I won't give you credit, I'll give you top up.
You give me top.
You can make a phone call.
Eh?
That's what I'll give you.
Okay.
Look guys, look at the beautiful, wonderful scenery over there with the sunlight shining.
Wow.
The London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. So that is my tree, guys, the Kadingo tree. Remember, anywhere you see it in Jamaica, just remember it's Kino. Name it, Kino, own it. I already register it. So why not own something here in Jamaica? If I own a tree, there's nothing.
It's not like really you deserve it.
There's no crime in it because the Almighty has blessed us with nature. So I guess I'm taking that nature for myself, putting that nature in my pocket. Right? That is it. That is me. Guys, amok. You feel like swinging? Imagine the amok is here. Wee, 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 wee. Hey. Guys, look at me here swinging. Jeez. Whoa. Whoa.
Eh? Kino is swimming under my what? My Aki tree.
Look there. You say you was looking for Aki, you never get none. As I came, Aki started to open. Look.
You smiled and oh yeah. Woo, plenty. I'm coming to get them.
But see?
Woo. Yeah,
All
plenty
they
of
need
them.
is smile, not laugh. I guess you were laughing too much. You have to smile. And look, Aki started to open in trees. Guys, this is so relaxing.
Look at how you're having soft life in my yard.
Hey.
Eh? Di Mwango yard.
2024 relaxing.
I
Hey,
tell
bye-bye,
you.
you can go, you know. I'll meet you back
Give
here
me the
later.
key.
Hey, get the key. Wait, man. Ride the bicycle. There's a bicycle in the back of the yard. Not insured.
Guys, you see how Kino is having a soft life in my yard? Huh?
That's what we do.
Soft life.
We conquered. You know, I just conquered a tree. And I'm conquering your yard.
Mind I lock you up, Kino.
Yard.
Mind your words. You can't come and conquer me in my yard. That's unacceptable.
That's been going on for years. So
Never.
there's nothing
Guys, that cannot be possible. Me, I protect myself, and all I have like nanny. You know the nanny of the maroon? That's me.
You do warring for years. Yeah.
Of course. Of course.
Finally, I get a chance to.
Okay, let's wait to see somebody drop.
I'm the editor.
So you'll cut it out.
Cut it out so no one will sit at home and watch me drop. Right?
Okay.
So let me come out and show you guys. I won't drop. Gently, simply, like that.
Very clean, very beautiful.
No drop.
It's not dirty, it's clean.
Did you wash it?
Yeah, the rain wash it.
Did you wash it?
The rain wash it.
Did you
look
wash
at
it?
Oh, look at where's my camera?
Banana plant she get what? Go on, my father.
Knock it.
Yeah,
Knock it again.
Long
time I don't see the eye. But you know me see one video and I say wait, knock it there, watch it. I mean, no me not see a sea view anymore.
Yeah, you know say if my leave sea view me have to reach out watch it. Baby girl. Anybody see this man in the street, watch how you approach him, you never know.
You never know.
Yeah, just tell them on a 2024 and say you know.
Yeah.
Sick, you know. See them and watch your lifestyle. One bit your current like a Wi-Fi. A dark say you wicked and hey baby girl, don't turn your back on the general, a forward him go.
Yeah. Knock it again. All is well though.
They are all there, man.
Yeah.
Hey, if you don't know what going on, then I go camp, so go camp.
Go.
Hear that?
Knock it again.
Yeah, any blogger don't know about this sea view, kick out them. In a 2 view, watching cute.
Yeah.
Hey, my girl, you're cute, you know, you have a banana, a Glock for shooting, like jackfruit, what's the style?
Yeah. Knock it again.
Yeah. Fight a jet. If I'm not life for that, take care of the youth and make sure I'm learning the best, yeah?
Yes,
What me say?
Yeah.
Code here, and no video game thing. Daddy, see the go camera, them are the best blogger you find. Check out them internet at Ananan. That. Keep about police and soldier cop, hear that?
Knock it again. Oh, see you.
We run on I can't believe you see that in the street.
Yeah.
The sun hot. I'm a boss, you know. Nobody feel like a basket either anymore.
Long time.
From long time, yo, link up Black Man, Dexter Daps, link up all of my artists, Bounty Killer, you don't know, rest in peace, Boom Down the Matter, see that?
No.
That's the day, man.
Fire drinking Happy New Year.
Yeah, the boss has given me a gun and a grand stamp. Boom!
Knock it again, guys, you know, for when I've been seeing him, he's from Seaview Garden. You know, he also do the music as well, so I've been seeing him in a long while.
Wow.
I was wondering, where is Knock It? You know, Knock It. There's another salon up there again.
Whoa, okay.
Look.
He can balance on his head and walk same time.
Yeah,
And
this.
he's a man.
Them sell here up there.
Hey, that place is beautiful. Let's see what.
Yeah.
Actually, walk like just like how people walk past.
Get 60%
Eh?
of
Jamaican fancy.
20% of small
They walk
appliances,
really high.
20% of cookware and sound systems, and 15% of AKT bikes. So relax,
Up here.
Okay, guys, let's go see. I'm gonna get some hair from here. So that's but I've been seeing
Yeah guys, so I'm gonna follow Dee to get some hair so she can get her hair done, and then I'm gonna head off to see Roy, you know, for him to give me some insight where Marcus Garvey is from, you know, and give me some more history around by where they will show me where Marcus Garvey is from, you know, and everything. So that's where I'm gonna be going next.
looks like it's a salon, they're not selling.
Where is it? Here? Yeah. Come see big here and everything. Let's ask them. Accent.
But I can do locks, like she can just do the locks with this, the dreadlocks. Like braids but with the locks.
The lunch.
Like braids but use this. Just from the ground and just fix it. I think it can still work. Dreadlocks.
4 locks.
You're a hairstylist? You have a salon here?
No.
Mobile? You are booked now?
Yes, actually, me just to get here, go to somebody one right now.
But we didn't ask her. Do you think she can manage that? Or do you know somebody who can do it? Maybe? Around here, maybe a friend?
Give me a minute.
But that style that you're saying, I just want to use it though.
You want to use that?
But I want that dreadlock look. So she can catch the hair with something from down, then go in with it.
That's it.
You know, your biggest fan.
Yeah, man.
Big up. All is well?
Yeah, man.
Give thanks, man. Give thanks.
Chris, make me start watch you still, you know.
Oh, Christmas list.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Big up to Chris.
Yeah, man. Watch him from Belize.
Yeah.
And then in come and introduce the YouTubers.
Yeah. Respect, man. Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah. Thank you, baby. Alright? Yeah, I'm so happy to meet you too.
Yeah.
So when you watch this video, you'll see.
Yeah, man. So we give thanks to Christmas list. Big up yourself, Chris. Must list. You know.
All
So
your
there,
friends.
David.
Alright.
Much respect.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Alright, nice to meet you, okay?
Yes, guys. So we'll see one of our subscribers as well. Yeah. So just gonna
Thank you guys.
hold on 1 second.
The sun is well out.
Hi Michael, I'm tuning from
Yes, guys. So
Birmingham in UK.
the sun is hot. Hold on. Phone. Yes, right. Yeah, hear me? Yeah, I'm gonna leave. I'm leaving. I'm gonna leave Ocean now to come to you. Okay. Alright then, so I'm gonna leave now and come to you. Yeah. Alright then. Yeah, guys. So that is Roy, who I'm gonna meet back in St. Anne Bay, and give me some insight of run by Marcus Garvey and see what is going on around there. Get some more history. The sun is out. The sun is out. So yes, guys, as you can see, I'm back here on the main street, and it looks like somebody been having a party. Got all them party bottles there. Jeez. Somebody been partying. I don't know where it come from. Looks like somebody a party. Okay, so there's the Burger King down there. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, so guys, I'm just let the off, you know, just escort her to the nail shop first because she's gonna get someone to come do her hair. So that person is gonna be about an hour or something. So while she's doing that, I'm gonna leave her at the hair salon, at the nail salon, and get her nails done. And then I'm gonna head off to see back Roy. Alright, cool now, cool now. Alright. Yeah, so we're gonna see Roy, you know, right at sea down in St. Anne's Bay. They were showing me around, so I'm gonna head back to go and see him now, and then head into the Marcus Garvey town. You know, because it's good, we can know some more history about Marcus Garvey, and I know a lot of one will like that as well too. So I'm here in OG at the main street, just gonna head out right now. I hope somebody don't block me in. Well guys, I'm just reached back in Discovery Bay town. Just reached back here now. In Discovery Bay town. You know, I don't know what's going on in OG side. Coming on, it's pure traffic. From the traffic start from a Christmas fest season. The traffic still haven't died down as yet. Still not died down. It still remain the same, you know. And even Discovery Bay town now still big active. It's 2 days. Today I guess today is a busy day, same way. So I'm just gonna meet up Rye. So the town is busy.
Your name, you ready? One name, yeah.
No, it's not that difficult for some time for people to recognize me, you know. Hello. Roy. Hello. How you doing? Bye. Man. Hey, you see the video?
Yeah, I get call from England.
I get call from England.
So what you say?
Okay, man.
Ready?
Yeah, man.
We are walk, we drive. We are walk.
You can walk, no?
Alright.
Come park all the
No,
way.
because we're supposed to give you 6 Gaza bread.
Eh?
We're supposed to give you 6 Gaza bread.
6 Gaza bread?
One man. So,
What?
I like when you come back then.
Yeah, you want to come back down?
You walk. Alright.
You walk, come.
Gaza bread then is up. Yes guys, I'm back where the Gaza bread is. You know, I come back to link up with Roy himself. That's right. You know, everyone love the video and them love the bread, you know? Alright. We can walk over Bravo or we can walk it. You want to walk it? So
And go up.
Yeah. I'm market.
Walk up. It's not the Marcos they have to drive.
Yeah.
It's the Marcos they have to walk. Yeah. Hey, but the town is busy today. Is the market there today? Oh yeah, Friday. Now I'm like Saturday and then Tuesday.
Friday and Saturday.
Yeah.
Big market.
Busy. And there's pure traffic, man. Wow. Since from the Christmas season till now, the traffic get intense.
Still going.
Yeah. Trucks and everything. What go on?
Yeah,
cool, man. Yeah. Yes, sir. So never get one of them patty there, juicy patty and put it in the Gaza bread.
What you mean?
Like come and can't put it in the Franks.
Veggie patty can be a vegetarian.
Yeah, them have the side patty.
Yeah.
Like something I keep here every stone of these.
No, I think it's flow.
What, this building was the original building? For what? What they used to do on this building?
Telephone company.
Oh.
This is where they used to set up all the phones and you have to come and make your phone call back in the day.
Oh, the old phone box that.
This is the original yes.
Sentence.
Yes, and then they expand it over this. It was just this alone.
Oh, nothing else.
All of this was just
So that was the phone box, right?
yeah, man.
You can see it way back in the days. The blue box.
Yeah.
You know, the blue telephone box.
Yeah, man.
You see? Look at the view now, guys. Look, we're literally going up the hill. And as you can see the sea from here, the ocean from here. So we're going up the hill. Up the hill.
Yes, sir.
The road very small and very busy. What? Big up every time.
Hustling.
There's some hustling.
Yeah, man.
This truck, son.
Okay.
Don't want the night catch.
Yeah.
Alright.
This truck, son.
Yeah.
So you want to do some delivery now?
No, you want to see his son vehicle that's in there.
Okay.
His vehicle broke down. So when him raise pigs and all them things,
Okay,
him have a big
okay.
farm.
Oh, okay, that's it.
You know, him do cockfight outside.
Okay.
Yeah, so you see, this is all back in the days.
Flow this thing.
We used to come down here and get to a little wire free. Yeah,
So this is where Flow is right now.
yeah, original telephone company and then they change over to cable and wireless and now Flow.
And I see a company them, you know,
Yeah.
with two different names.
Yeah, man, that's me.
Same company but different names. So we're up here near now, we're walking.
Well, right here now, this is Roy Street.
Roy Street.
Roy Street right there.
You're a street that Roy. Your name Roy.
No, I right against primary school, me grew up. Right
Okay.
against the primary school.
Yeah. Name it the Roy Street.
Yeah. So we're still on Market Street. It goes all the way around.
So this is Market Street, go all the way up.
I don't know if they change it yet, but they wanted to change it to Marcus Garvey Avenue.
Okay, yeah, so what do you think, guys? Might as well write Marcus Garvey Avenue because this house very nice. You can see this is newly built up.
That's the primary school there. That's where we grew up. That in the tree there, man. It's so good. Yeah, I grew up right against it, and this mango tree, man.
Yeah.
Black mango tree. Oh,
Those were the days, right?
Nice, man. Nice.
Those
Back
were
in the days, and this
back in the days.
this was a police barracks.
Right here.
Police headquarters where they used to sleep and stuff like that. But now that
Okay.
broken down.
So the different thing are going over there now.
Yeah, and the guy that bought this out died the other day too.
Okay.
And watch TV.
Okay.
Back in the days, we couldn't afford a TV, anything like that. So we used to come to the police barracks
Right there, sir.
and watch TV there. But you have to dress nice.
Yeah. So up there is a road that we're looking at.
Yeah.
Oh, so let's continue to go up the hill.
We go all the way around.
There's more up in the hills. And you can see that another primary school is basic school.
Just use downstairs as a
very small road. Very small road. Hello, good evening. Something from the bag now. And I hear one. So you can't tell them so you take it. You take the cussing, man. No, cuss not gonna last for long, I like, right? What's something can get? What's that in the bag?
We don't look like cussing time, so
Yeah.
approach us that way.
They're not gonna cuss you,
It's
man.
the original tank. Long distance tank is older than you and I.
So this is what supply the area here
Yeah.
up to now.
Well, yeah, it's still in use.
You can see it's still in use for sure. Breadfruit tree.
This is where my second home. All my buddies that we used to play soccer together.
Oh, here.
Yeah, they live over here. Some of them migrate to the state. Two of them still there.
So this community bring you a lot of memories.
Yeah, man. We
right?
used to.
So many memories.
So we used to get the light at night time and play domino.
Right.
Yeah, man.
Because yes, it was the only light.
Yes.
As you can see, yes, here was the only light. Round here look small like a little village. Even the roads there.
You asked me the wrong time.
Right time, man.
No.
It's the right
no,
time.
no mission, you know.
Shut short. Give
You don't have 5,000 pounds.
Must give you 500, man.
You know.
You
Big
go
up.
be Marcus, you go.
Check me,
Yeah,
check me
Marcus.
down, sir. Serious.
Yeah, don't worry. I don't to check you.
I be.
Yeah, you better drink and jagan, man. Say me give me that, man.
Check me down, I be.
Alright, to check it on the bake if when I get, if I say that, because you have to see it on camera. So,
This is
same
live
can.
Kino. Kino.
Life in Jamaica.
Okay.
Yeah, so this will be all over YouTube.
Yeah,
Yeah.
man.
So tell them what you have here. But right now, with the road name,
Bim.
this
Bim.
road,
This is still Market Street.
Market
You
Street.
change the name, man. Marcus Garvey now, man.
See,
So
I told you, no.
so it's Marcus Garvey way now.
Yeah.
Okay, so right now we are
Remember
Marcus.
Benji?
Yeah.
Benji, great Benji.
Great Benji.
Alright then.
Big up Benji. So right now we are on the great Marcus Garvey way. Not
This is
avenue,
them
but
little
way.
corners where he sells
Chickens.
you know, he has a cook too, you know.
Yeah.
Wow chef. If you punch in on your internet,
Kino Life in Jamaica.
Okay.
you see all the videos about him.
Yes,
He
sir.
goes around and he helps, you know.
Can we see him pass somebody, man, somebody want to go Marcus Garvey down by the main?
Yeah,
Like,
yeah.
the one in a week, yeah.
Yeah. I see him one man.
Yeah, man.
So we have here selling today. What,
A chicken, man.
What's the also chicken?
Chicken necks and chicken, yeah, man.
Okay, so you have the chicken. Whoa, chef. This is the Trenchtown style.
Yeah, man.
The chicken neck. Yes, I know. So it's Marcus Garvey way style.
Yeah, man.
Chicken neck and
Real
chicken.
thing, man.
Yeah.
That's it, so the chicken neck. And we got the gizzard as well in the
No, gizzard, man. Just neck and chicken, never know, no?
Just neck and chicken. And this is a regular hustle.
Yeah, man. 3 times daily, you know?
3 times?
Yeah, man. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, yeah, man.
Yeah, them credits, son. This look like you have some red pea soup over here.
Cooking some gravy, you know gravy?
Gravy?
You know gravy?
No, what's gravy?
Sauce.
Gravy.
Oh, gravy. No, Spanish man call it gravy.
Gravy.
Okay.
Okay.
The Spanish man call it gravy.
Gravy, yeah.
Okay.
That's the original name of it.
Breadfruit, yeah.
Gravy. Not gravy.
No,
So-
man, we call it gravy. We call it Spanish man call it gravy.
So
Okay.
you expand the last time you see you expand for me, man.
Business is good, so expand, you know. Man, the breadfruit.
Pretty girls coming.
Hello.
I bet you don't.
No, no, because son uncle.
Terminator.
Yeah, you remember righteous and die.
Check.
Yeah, check, yeah, feed, set up from, yeah.
Oh, so
Okay.
you come get your chicken neck?
Yeah.
I'm just asking what he has.
Okay.
So who's your mom?
Sharia.
Risha, I know Risha.
Who's your right?
Sodomites. Me and pork.
So you know sell the pork?
Yeah, man, but the next should do it.
Oh, over there. So you can check out Kino Life in Jamaica on YouTube.
Yeah.
So you can go on there now and you can check it out, Kino Life in Jamaica.
Yeah,
Are you going to see yourself as well? You
Give me
know.
20 around the man. Left his sister on man. Rum can buy.
Him say he must check in bang a bakery.
Make him enough time enough for time I when watching a black. Hey, you know that the world best.
No, KI.
Alright, here, sit down.
Hey,
You know.
what I remember, you know the history. Me only a week can talk because you know check plumbing. You know the female.
No yet, because
I go back
Trench
to
Town is someone else from.
this man
Yeah.
came all over the world like Jamaica.
Yeah.
Ask me why. You know what I'm
Why?
saying?
Why?
This.
Football. So you used to play football?
No, we're a spectator.
Okay,
And
okay.
we follow him all over the world.
Yes, yes. Can tell me say was a big ball and them days.
And we are telling you.
Yeah.
Elder people, we can tell her.
See me.
You want some baby?
Me not sure.
You're not sure?
See,
You're not sure?
Red pea soup,
They
fried
come here
chicken,
to
rice
buy.
and peas. Jerk chicken, eh?
No, because mom called my uncle first. What is it?
Fried chicken, rice and peas.
Breadfruit
Festival, everything.
and gravy.
We have open Garvey.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Mix everybody got me.
Alright, then, yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, then, yeah?
Yeah.
You have to check it out.
Make it.
Yeah?
Yeah, what I will.
So we're on the Marcus Garvey way.
Yes, so this is my little corners, man, where we grew up. I represent Senton parish team.
Yeah,
Football.
yeah.
Yeah, man. I was
So-
a striker.
So that we don't have to say it anymore. Someone just said it.
I tell you.
You know? The man say he make him go all over the world.
Live, the Chucks them live.
Oh, the Chucks them,
And
the bakery.
It was a Red Star bakery. So this is used to be a bakery.
Okay.
And then this is where they used to buy bread.
Okay, okay. So, so you see, everybody have a story. So this is where they're coming from.
Yes.
You know, and this is where they used to do it till they end up where they are now.
Chucks Bakery.
Chuck's Bakery.
Yeah.
Okay,
Used to be
look.
Red Star Bakery.
Red Star Bakery.
man.
This is the
Nice.
spot.
Yes.
So many history.
Everything.
And the way this go all the way up in the hill there.
Yeah, well, that's the back of it. But everything is all broken down now. So that's
Yeah, yeah,
just
yeah.
the one that's called, you know, the skeleton of it.
The skeleton of it. So that means that those land is for sale then? Or
I don't know. No, I think and the chin them owned it.
or the chins them owned it?
Yeah.
So I guess if the chin them ain't doing nothing with it, I guess them gotta sell it.
And there was a light here, so what we used to do, we used to play Ludo and stuff like
Right,
that.
yes,
So
sir.
the little corners, you know. Yeah, everybody and right in at the road, yes, and down there, sir. Every Sunday, orange juice box, roll it up and play soccer.
Play
High
soccer.
top on the beat.
Yeah.
On the road
With
here.
the box. I used to play like that as well. It was a young boy.
Yes.
The box juice football.
Yes, so this is where it originated, yes, sir. And down the gully road there.
Yes. And this is the Marcus Garvey National Area.
So this is it.
So what's up there? A Rasta man up there?
That's the house. That's the house.
Oh, so that's Marcus Garvey house.
This is where Marcus Garvey was from.
Okay, so Marcus Garvey. So this is where Marcus Garvey was born.
Birthplace of the right. See that? Excellent Marcus Messiah Garvey.
So look.
Yes.
So this is the birthplace, you know, of the right excellent Marcus Messiah Garvey, Jamaica first national hero, was born on this site, August 17, 1887. And this guy comes in up right beside me. This is New Max. So guys, so this is where Marcus Garvey was.
Yeah,
so they
man.
keep it exactly like how it is.
Yeah, you see it, what they did, the girls them that live, the 3 girls that live here, right? It's in
what the government is doing, they build 3 houses and give them 2 houses
And give them.
in civilites.
Okay.
So they want to take over this property and let it become a tourist attraction.
Yes, yes. So no one is living in here now.
Yeah, people living there.
Or people living in
yeah,
there.
but
So this
they
is
know
it.
me, so be careful, they can't slide.
Yeah. So the Marcus Garvey National here. So see there, Marcus Garvey. So you see far I reach now, this is where Marcus Garvey was born. So this is Marcus Garvey wall right here. And from I reach, this dog no stop follow me. What's up? Are you Max? Max lady? Are you Max lady? So this is it right here. Remember, this is very slippery as well, so this is all Marcus Garvey here. This stone is very slippery, and you can see. So guys, so this is Marcus Garvey house. This is where he was born, you know. So guys, so this is where Marcus Garvey was born. This is where he was born, you know. And as I said, this is legacy. As you can see, as you can see, nothing having touched. Because everything remained the same from when he was here till now, right? From day one. So even the structure, the boards, everything from way back. It was from 1887, right?
Yes.
Everything, even the cliff here, the road, everything. Everything. So guys, everything's remained the same. As you can see, the zinc, the structure, everything, the structure and everything. So everything's remained the same. So when I'm touching this, I'm touching the Marcus Garvey legacy. You know, so this is where Marcus Garvey was born. So right now I'm standing on the side of where Marcus Garvey was born. Just imagine how that feels right now, right here in St. Anne's, you know. So this is what Marcus used to see.
Across from
You know?
Bunny used to live here. Fire station.
Imagine that. At what age did they say Marcus to leave here to go overseas? You remember? So we have to Google it.
Yeah.
Because this is a great legacy and history right here.
Yeah,
Because
because
everything still remains the same. The house, and these are the first house them, right?
This is the
that
original.
Was the original house them.
Yeah.
So these houses like how many years old now? About
100. Yeah, because
Them man
it was here.
100 and something dollar, the 100 and something.
yeah, 100 and something because it was 1887.
Yes.
And the structure is still here, still the same, everything remains the same. So as what she said, this is priceless. You know, this is the land of the great national hero himself, the first national hero, you know, Marcus himself. So for everyone that's watching, right, so it's here in St. Anne's, and this will be the Marcus Garvey Way, right? That's the name of the road they're going to change it to.
It was Market Street.
It was.
They changed it to Marcus Garvey Way.
Yeah.
Yes.
But the whole community should have named Marcus Garvey Community.
Yeah.
You know, if you're a great man.
Marcus Garvey Community.
Yes.
Then government say away name.
A weird name. Yeah, man. This man deserves more and deserves one sentence for himself.
Yeah.
You know, no joke.
Yes.
This man deserves sentence for himself. You know, Marcus Garvey, because for that man to pave the way for we as black people.
Yes.
You know, and for Africans themselves. You know.
See, as me tell you, them don't want to do nothing that maybe them want just because you're poor and so they want just take
Run
it
over
from
you.
and run over by you.
Yes.
But this is greatness.
No,
you know.
your mother would make them do that, so don't
This
do it.
is greatness. So over here you have the statue of him right here as well too.
Yeah.
So look at this guy. This is a Marcus Garvey house. See him here. Still remains. Oh, it is. This is all Marcus Garvey. You know. So I guess there's still someone's living in here right now. So this is it. This is the life of Marcus, where he was born. Our national hero himself, Marcus Garvey. Our national hero.
Yeah, man, this is the original.
So I guess one of these rooms was his room.
Yes.
We don't know which one.
Yes. As you can see at the back of it here, these are the, what you call it now, 18th century zincs.
These
Stuff
zincs.
like that. Yeah, man. Way back, man. These zincs are so old. Older than you and I, Kina.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Even these one and there.
And look at the door. So
and the
you
doors.
see that?
And even the door
This
them.
is Marcus Garvey room.
This one.
Yeah, right here. Yeah.
So even the doors them still stand strong from them times, you know.
Yeah.
And you can see, you know.
Is the cousin of Marcus Garvey, which his name is Bobby Charlton Chambo, right? He's a soccer player. He's the one who taught me to play soccer.
Okay.
You understand what I'm saying? Which is the girl there.
Yeah.
Her uncle.
Our uncle.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So,
I'm
this
telling
is
you.
Huge.
You can see the smile on my face. You know, if you know I'm here when the great Marcus was born.
Yeah.
You know, first time. You know, we always hear the history and know the story about Marcus. But for visit where he was born, you know, and this is a legacy. So hopefully sometime in the future, you know, it can more preserve, more develop,
come together and let it, you know?
Yeah, and tourists can come flock here like nothing, you know.
Well, that's the aim, you know. That's the aim the government they want it to do. So right now this place is kind of
it's under siege by challenges right now.
Yeah.
You know, as I can see. The way everything turn green. Even the concrete them turn green. You have to know how you're stepping. Because you will slip. Feel the wall. Everything is the same. Everything is the same, guys. Everything remains the same right now, guys. Yeah. Alright, big up. Yeah. Yes, guys, so it's getting dark now. And you know, say GoPro is not really good in night. So we're gonna head back out. You know, we're gonna get back down to the bakery. And we can hear. So this is it right here, the legacy. You know. This is the legacy of Marcus Garvey, you know. This is it. The great Marcus walking down the steps of the great Marcus himself. You know, great Marcus in himself. Great Marcus, look at yourself. Great man, great home. Marcus Garvey, where? Original. Marcus Garvey, where? Leave it in an orchard there.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Big up.
Blessing you out there.
You see, I was a watch.
Oh, you mean? Always there on the program, you out.
Oh, you mean? Big up.
Watch it, eh?
Yeah.
Make sure you get that girl from married to you, Make sure you get that girl from
I'm a good friend, man.
Huh?
I'm a good friend, man.
Make sure you get that girl from married to you,
I'm a friend, man. Big up, man, yeah?
See you now, Dan.
Yes, I.
Blessing, eh? Junglist land. I want to say real junglist, Spanglers and junglist.
Alright then, see there? One move. Big up, man. Yeah, cool.
Yeah, man.
This is it, you know?
Yeah, go on till about
1 o'clock.
9:30, 10 if we start to slow down, you know?
Yeah.
Like the stores them start lock up and thing, but then that's out on the street.
Yeah.
Then the bar open and you know? Nice one,
Yeah, man, so it was lovely today, you know. Was that they went to see the Marcus Garvey where he was born and everything, you know, so you know there back where the Gaza bread is. Alright,
it's a Gaza bread I want right now. You know, so I'm here back in the market, as you can see it's night. Outside is dark now, so Gaza bread time. You know, I was trying to get a juice to the saya patty, but there's no saya patty. So I hope you enjoyed the video for today. Remember guys, when you're watching, please to put your thumbs up. You know, if you haven't subscribed, you know, please check out D Mwango's, and the link will be in the description as usual. You know, so it was a wonderful day today, and thank you so much for watching it. Once you reach this far, we're here again. You know, Gaza bread. Gaza bread. You know, Mummy says she wants her bread, so hopefully we can make her bread reach. Right, Mummy? Try to see if I can send some bread for you. So yes, I'm going to get some bread as well too, because they say they're going to give me 6 bread for myself to go in and eat. Yeah, so we're going to feast. Love Gaza bread. That's right. Yeah man, it was a blessed day today.
Yeah man, you get the bread.
Bread. Alright guys, I'm getting bread. 600. See there, I'm getting bread. We go feast one right now. They say you love the Gaza bread to me, General. All a center. Anybody wanna love it, something wrong with them.
Oh, say curtain right.
The best bread right now, see there?
Yeah, Gaza bread.
Curtain right there.
Butter?
Yeah.
Okay, can I put the franks as well too?
Can butter or franks?
Yeah, the man said, buddy love. You love the Gaza bread too?
Yeah man, I love it too man. Love the Gaza bread. Love the Gaza bread too man. Yeah, that
world famous bread man.
Butter, you know?
Yeah.
And peanut butter.
Aye.
What?
Drop that in here.
When you name that man, what?
Then find the remedy.
Oh man, and drink one cup of juice with it.
Aye.
Done.
Finish. Alright, then find the remedy for the bread, boy. Gaza bread, well known all over. You know someone that asks in the comment section if them ship bread overseas? Huh? Hello, how you doing? You know someone was asking if you know ship bread overseas?
No, we don't ship.
Okay, don't.
People will come and buy going back.
Yeah, because a lot of overseas people call me and ask me if you ship bread overseas. I'm like, we have to find out and see if you do.
Yeah, we do.
So guys, they don't ship bread overseas. You know, just come and buy and bring it up. So hopefully in the future, you do that?
Yeah, we could.
They could.
Some of that I was thinking about it once and it fell through.
Yeah? You should think about it. Yes. And I will always come and give you the promotion and let them know that you can order your bread we ship overseas. Alright. And because even my mom tells me she wants bread right now and everything. So I have to go send a bread for her now. Yeah?
Have a good day.
Yeah man, you too. Take care. Yeah. So the Gaza bread around the place, boy. More I want butter as well too. I want each one now. Alright. I want the butter as well. Gaza bread. Gaza bread. So guys, it's night as you can see. It's dark now. Everyone. So this is the night time here in St. Anne's Bay. So right through, people are buying them Gaza bread. Morning, noon and night. Gaza bread all the way. Bread. The bread specialist. And then
you know, say a squeeze eye, you know, represent squeeze eye, you know, I go.
Yes.
I don't know me an artist, singer, DJ, everything in one. So the people them to know say a squeeze eye, believe I.
So we believe I.
Yeah.
So
and I said as be a town with them, you know, I go.
Yeah.
Big up the YouTube page, right? King of Life in Jamaica. You know, I go. A squeeze eye represent for the station there. Look for the station there and go over there. Subscribe, like, share. You know what? I'm view. You know, I go. Yeah, squeeze eye.
Like how you're an artist, you have to go make them hear, the sing.
Yeah, man. Hear me now? Juggle me a juggle upon the stall. Juggle me a juggle upon the stall. Ripe banana me a juggle upon the stall. Sit, orange me a juggle upon the stall. Pumpkin me a juggle upon the stall. Banana chips me a juggle upon the stall. Juggle me a juggle upon the stall. Juggle me a juggle upon the stall. Anytime you see me a hustle. Yeah, me have to make use of me muscle. They get the youths done a turn them a hustle. Give me the back, get the one where you duffel. In the sun, me a walk for morning. And you know the little youth them yarning. Two me serious but the hustling me have to look for nanny and call her me darling. Juggle me a juggle. Yeah man, go over there, go subscribe, like, shakes, cheers. You don't know, I'm View at the station, number 1 station.
So wait there, so they can find you on YouTube?
Yeah man, go for Damien Henry on YouTube. Also, Squeeze Eye Official on TikTok.
Yeah.
I'm a comedian, I'm an artist.
Yeah.
You don't know, go for Mix Up JA Ghetto Girl Dumpling Shop.
Yeah.
You know, Squeeze Eye over the said way. Yeah, so you just type in the station there. And share and like and subscribe. You know, go. Big up Ghetto Girl them now.
Big up.
Big up the crew them said here. Yeah, I'm out.
Yeah man, look, I'm ready. My package is set and ready. Woo! Nice. Ready, hot and ready, Mr. Me, hot and ready. Hot and ready, the bird, hot and ready, hot and ready, the bird, hot and ready. Slice the butter in a hot and ready. Hot and ready, me say it hot and ready.
Take me number, man. Alright. Take me number and just bring it over to WhatsApp.
Alright. So me say hot and ready, me say it hot and ready. Hey,
hot and ready.
You say hot and ready.
Hot and ready. Me say hot and ready. Me say hot and ready. Hot and ready.
Hey, me say the bread
hot and ready. Cheese and bread. Hot and ready. Everybody. Hot and ready.
In my mouth it
hot and ready. Full of bread. Hot and ready.
Hot and ready, me say
hot and ready. Squeeze inside there.
Hot and ready. First bite. Mommy see it there. Ready. Hot and ready. Guys, hot and ready. See there. Ready.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.